Today I'm going to show you how to do what I like to call vibe automation. So essentially, I'm going to have the N8N platform itself build me an AI agent. And disclaimer, if you're trying to build out a project for production use, you probably should use this as a starting point and then build on top of it. So to start off, I'm going to go inside of N8N and hit create workflow. And then I'm going to hit this build with AI button. Once I'm here, N8N is going to ask me what would I like to automate. And then I'm going to go ahead and put in my prompt. So I'm asking it to build me a news automation agent that searches the internet for the latest news in finance and emails me a report. Once I have my prompt in, N8N is going to get to work and start building. So after about 30 seconds, our workflow is ready, and now we can go ahead and explore to make sure that it looks the way that we like. So the first thing we can do is go ahead and check out the how to set up instructions that the AI agent has left for us. So it's letting us to know that we need to put in our email address inside of the workflow configuration tool. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And next is asking us if we want to customize our news query, which right now is just asking for the latest finance news today, but we'll go ahead and leave it like that. So now we can go ahead and take a look into the tools to make sure they're all configured correctly. So the first thing we can see is that we have a trigger that's going to have our workflow run at a certain time every day, and is currently set to 8 a.m. The next thing we can do is check out the actual AI agent itself and go ahead and check out its system message, which it just looks like it's telling it to look for the latest finance news, find 5 stories that are in finance, and then after it creates an email to send me, go ahead and send that email. And now we can check out our agentic tools to make sure they're set up correctly. So our OpenAI model is set up correctly. So our agent is smart. The SERP API tool has its credential set up, so it's able to search the internet. And our Gmail tool is also set up so that we can get emails sent to us by this AI agent. Now let's go ahead and test it out. So now that we have our email, we can go ahead and check it out. So we can see that it gives us the titles of some different topics, as well as a summary of each of those topics. And it also provides some hyperlinks to show where it got its sources from. So this is pretty good in my opinion. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching, and join my Skool community if you want to learn more. Have a nice day.